In this tutorial, we are going to make this piston in Autocad. So without wasting time, let's begin the tutorial and set the units to millimeters up to 2 decimal places. OK. Set limits 0,0, 420, 297, Z enter, A enter. It's my personal preference for setting the limits to 420, 297. You can change it another also. Now we will start the drawing from this view. So let's begin it with ortho off, ortho on and grid off, and 10 mm downwards 1.2 mm, 1.2 mm sideways, bottom 0.6 mm, 1.2 mm, 1.2 mm downwards, 0.6, 0.6, sorry, 1.2, 0.6, 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, and 1.2. Again 1.2 downwards and 1.2. Okay, delete this. I'll enter, and from here 11 mm downwards. Now region, using region command, region created. To see the region, go to the shades of gray and revolve using the revolve command. Okay, enter. So our this portion is ready. Now go to this bottom plane and 16 mm, control C, circle, D for diameter, 16 mm, and press pull it up to this, let's say this point. Okay, now go to this plane, bottom plane, or let's say, okay, bottom plane, and we will draw this here line 2.4. Change this to 2D wireframe, 1 2.4 sideways, and from there 4.2 upwards and slide outside the piston. Okay, now fillet radius of 4 mm. Okay, now make a region, join this, not region, J for joining. Now mirror, select first line, select second line. Okay, now just orbit this, first of all shades of gray, orbit, and move this both ex- rectangles to outside outside the piston for extrusion. So now select this both and extrude. Now subtract this extruded part from this object. So select this 3D solid, enter, select both this, enter. Now this portion is ready. Go to bottom plane. Now line select and downwards 2.8 mm, sideways 1.2 mm, and again downwards out of the piston, enter, again L, enter, join this. Now go to this 2D wireframe and check and join this, mirror this MI for mirroring it, select source object no, and go to this shades of gray, extrude. First of all move, 3D move, select this, enter, select this back blue axis, or let's say Z axis, select this Z axis and move it outwards. Now select both this and extrude. Now subtract this from this 3D solid, enter and enter. Now our piston look like this. Go to this left plane and rotate, so it will look like this. Now we will make the circle in the side view. Of 6.4 diameter and 3.2 diameter. So first of all move D for diameter 6.4 mm, circle D for diameter 3.2 mm, Control Z, circle D for diameter 3 point, circle C for D diameter and 3.2 mm. Now make a copy of this circle, select both the circle, CO, specify the point, base point, and place it here on the other side. Now let's extrude this circle, enter, and extrude it inside. .2 mm. Similarly here, EXT, extrude shortcut, select this circle, enter, and 4.2 mm. Now we will press pull this, press pull and select this both the side, press pull, enter, press pull, enter. Now our this portion is ready. Now we will move this to front plane, left plane, and rotate this Select this void to reset the UCS system. Create this upper section of now. Select line. Select this view. L enter. 0.8 mm upwards. 2.2. 3.6. 1 mm and downwards. Join here. Select the tracking point and join. Okay. Line delete. Delete this line. Delete this line. Left. Orbit. Need to like this. Select orbit. Okay. Select this plane. Now rotate. Check this. L enter. L enter and move it downwards. We will set it later on. Later on. So by moving outwards, let's say this. L enter. Join it here. Join this. I'll enter from this point to, let's say, auto off. And okay. Now top view, shades of gray, sorry, 2D wireframe and trim this line. Can't able to trim, so make another line. Trim line. Trim this. Delete this line. Will no longer required. Delete. 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 Okay. Now go to shades of gray and join this upper portion. J enter. Select all this. Let's say select this line. Select this line. Select this line. Select this line and unselect this. J enter. So it is converted into polyline. Now move this sideways. And again go to this front plane. Let's say left plane. Rotate this and create a triangle here of 4.8 by 0.8 mm. L enter. 0.8 downwards. Let's make it outside first. F8 for ortho on. 0.8 mm downwards. L 4.8 and L enter. Now join this. J for joining. Select J, so converted into polyline. Now move this to here. Okay, and move this polyline sideways. to here, sideways, CO, enter, copy and move, enter. Again make a copy extra, move it here. Extrude this. Now extrude this portion, enter, select extrude and select this. Select this plane, select left. Now try to extrude, select this, enter, enter, view, press pull, press pull, left, extrude, left, enter, left plane, delete, press pull. Let's set first to reset the UCS and set it to go to this left plane, set world to reset the UCS and select view, extrude, enter, extrude, enter, press pull it up to here. It's a long, very long, but we will manage it. Now press pull, subtract, select this object, subtract, select this, enter, select this 3D solid, enter. Okay, now our groove is ready. Now again extrude it sideways. Okay, now go to this back view and make a circle here of 3 radii, 3 radius. Now move it to distance of 3.8 mm and again make a circle here of radius 3 mm. Circle, move it at a distance of 3.8 mm. Delete, circle of radius 3 mm. Circle, radius 3 mm. Okay, let's just copy the circle, this, copy, select the base point, select here and from here 3.8 mm. Again copy, enter, select this and move it sideways to 3.8 mm. Delete the center circle. Okay, now select circle, select both the circles and move it to this plane. Okay, Control C, Control C. Let's just copy this CO and place it here. Don't know where it has got placed. Go to UCS. Okay, here it is. Now press pull the circle. Okay, now place the circle on this. Move this exactly here. Now make use of this circle and extrude this to here. Now subtract this from this solid and this object. Oh, subtract, sorry. Control Y, intersect 3D solid, enter, and this solid, enter. Control C, make a circle here, or let's say delete first this circle, we don't require circle of dia, D for dia 20 mm. Circle, shift, unselect, and extrude this to here. Now go to this next plane, move on to this by changing the orbit. Okay, now intersect command, select this object, enter, select this object, enter. Circle, then make a circle, let it be here, circle of dia 20 mm. Let's select circle. circle, let's check device. Select circle, go to shades of gray, extrude, circle, select, circle, select, shift, enter, and done. Now intersect command, select this 3D solid, enter, select this 3D solid, enter. Now I made a mistake. I had selected individual objects. So in this intersection, we have to select this uh, like this and press enter. Now our part is ready. We have to only apply fillet here of radius 2 mm, 0.2 mm. So go to the solid fillet edge and select chain radius 0.2 mm. Enter. Select the edges. Enter. Enter. Now our part is ready. Just union is pending, so make use of this union command. Select all the objects and enter. Now clean up all this. Shift select this, delete, and our part is ready.